Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to put together this slip top drawer box. This is a new die set from ScrapDiva Designs, and I'll put the link to Erica's shop down below. It's a really cute die set. So when you pull out this, you have this cute hidden compartment, this little hidden drawer. And then when you pull this down, it creates this cute little display. So it sits up like that, really cute. So this is perfect for any theme, and if you're going to send one to your crafty friend, you can fill in this little hidden compartment with some goodies, and it's just a really cute die set. So I'm going to share with you how to put this together. So there are several pieces to this die set. I'll explain each piece to you and how I put it together. So for the main construction of this box, I used poster board, and I purchased my poster board from my local my local 99-cent store, because they sell it in a pack of 5, and I think it's 11 by 12 sheets. And it's really great when you're creating boxes like this, and it cuts perfectly with the thinlit dies, and it gives it a lot of stability when you're creating these types of projects. So you're going to see here when I show you the dies that the main piece of each die cut is the poster board, and then the layering pieces basically is the design paper. So you're going to get this die set right here, and this die piece right here, which I'll show you here, is what creates the lid. So actually, let me take this apart so I can give you a better idea. So this part is what creates this part of the die right here, okay? And again, as you can see, there's going to be one piece that's going to be the main construction of the die, and then the rest is the layering. So this is the main piece, and I cut that with the poster board. So we're going to need that piece for the lid, and then you're going to need this die set right here. So there's this die set that has these pieces. This is the main piece, and I cut that with the poster board, and then the rest of the pieces right here is basically the layering pieces, okay? So we'll need those two. And then this creates the bottom part of the lid, which is this right here. So you'll need that piece, which again is I cut with the poster board. And then this is the die set right here. And then these remaining pieces are the layering pieces right here. Okay, so let's start with that first. So we're going to make the lid first. Okay, so I set those aside. So these are the 3 main pieces to make the lid. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold. So as you can see, when I'm using the poster board, you can really see the perforated lines, which is really nice. I love chipboard. It's one of my favorites of the materials to work with. But of course, you can't die cut chipboard with thinlit dies. So that's why I like to use poster board to give it that extra stability, especially when you create boxes or albums. It's really nice. And then when you have the layering pieces, you could just layer that on the main piece. Okay, so we're just basically folding those perforated lines. You can see on the tabs right here on both pieces, I add double-sided tape. The double-sided tape I use is from scrapbook.com. So we're going to let's put this aside for now. We're going to take this piece, because this part of this die cut is going to be connected like so. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel that out. Then we'll connect. Okay, so you got that. And then you're going to peel out the film from both these tabs right here. Just fold those in. And then you can see how easy it is to assemble. Do the same to this one. Okay, and just push that down. Okay, now these tabs right here, the middle tabs, are going to be connected to the sides right here. So we're going to peel out the film on that. So just connect. I'm going to do the other side. And this lid, I don't know about you, but it reminds me of a crayon box when I look at this. All right, now this part, these tabs right here, is what's going to get connected to this piece, okay? So let's peel that. And then you can see it just fits perfectly. Like so. And you can see how it connects. And then you're going to do the opposite side. And then you connect that piece. Okay, so now you got the top part of the file top drawer box. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. And now we're going to make this part of the box. Okay, so that's going to take this die set. So when you get this die set, it's going to look like this. Again, you're going to have your main piece, which is this piece right here. And then these are just the layering pieces, okay? So this is going to be the die cut right here. So we'll set that aside. And then you're going to need the two sides, which creates these sides right here. And it's going to be this die set, like so. And it's going to look like this. And what I loved is that they give you two sets of it. That way you don't have to die cut this twice. And I really like that. So you're going to need these two main pieces right here. There's going to be two of them. And you're going to die cut those with the, you know, you're going to use poster board. And then these two pieces right here are the layering pieces. Okay, so that is what's going to construct the main box. So we'll put that together. So we're going to go ahead and fold in those perforated lines. Now this part right here, you can see, this is where you're going to put the drawer pull. Now if you want to do a drawer pull, you can. And there's going to be this die piece right here, which actually I didn't use, but I'll show you. It's this piece right here. You would have to die cut it right here, like so. So when you close this in, the holes will match. And then you could place your drawer pull. But you can see with mine, I just put a chipboard piece, okay? So you could do it either way. Okay, so you're gonna put adhesive to the back of that. So I'm gonna put adhesive like so. And then you're going to add adhesive back here if you want. Well, yeah, you're going to add adhesive here. And then you're going to fold that down. Okay? So it should look like that. Okay? And then you're going to get your two sides, which are these two pieces. Go ahead and fold those perforated lines. And it folds so nicely with the poster board. Okay, so where the long tab is, that's what's going to get connected to the insides right here. Okay, go ahead and put those together. Now, if you don't want these tabs to show, you see these tabs, because once you connect it like so, you're going to connect it like this. If you don't want it to show on the inside, I would wait to adhere this down after, okay? But I'm okay with either way. Okay, so let's connect this one next. Just gonna connect it like so. Okay, and then you're gonna connect these tabs to the sides right here. Okay, so we're just gonna peel those out. Push that in. Okay, I forgot to add adhesive to this, so we need to add adhesive to that. So let me just get some of my double-sided tape. I'm just going to put just this one piece, just to hold it down. Okay, and then we'll need on this side. And then fold that down. Okay, so there you go, there's the box. Okay, and then what we're going to make next is this little hidden box, and that's going to be this die set, which is this one right here. Okay, so this is the die set right here. This is the main piece, this die, and then these are the layering pieces. So I went ahead and cut the main piece with the poster board. And then we're going to go ahead and fold the perforated lines. So you're just going to add adhesive to this piece right here, because this piece is going to get adhered to the back of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel that out. Just gonna fold these in. So you want it like so. Make sure it's all the way down. Just push it down. Just use my nails. And then these tabs right here, I'm just going to use wet glue for that. Just add some wet glue. Okay, and then that gets, you lift this up and that gets pushed right up against the side. Okay, so you can see right here when it's all the way up against the box. So So just give it a good press. And then you're going to fold those tabs in and fold in this tab. And then you got your little hidden compartment. And you could fill it in with goodies. Okay, so that's your display box. And then once you got the two pieces, you just push it in. Push it in like so. Just slide it in. There you have it. Really cute. And that's how you create the file top drawer box from ScrapDiva Designs. All right, all the information will be down below in the description box, and thanks for watching. Bye.